The Record Roller 4-in-1 Complete Kit by VinylVac is all you need to efficiently clean your records in minutes. This instructional video will show you the 4 easy steps to improve the overall look and sound of your vinyl record collection. Your kit includes the 4 incredible items: a large microfiber cloth, a safe surface to lay your records on, a 4-inch adhesive record roller designed to effectively remove any dirt and grime that lay on the surface of your records, an anti-static stylus brush will safely and easily clean your turntable stylus, and an anti-static record brush will remove and prevent any static that could be present on your vinyl records. Step 1. To start, place a microfiber cloth on a flat surface. Spread it out completely with no lumps or creases. This will provide a safe, smooth surface to clean your records on. Place your record gently on the cloth and remove any sharp or hard debris that could potentially scratch your record during the rolling process. Step 2. Unhinge the protective case on your record roller and slowly remove the plastic that covers the adhesive roller. Take your 4-inch record roller and with little to no pressure, make a complete pass on your record. We find it most effective to roll in 4 separate angles to make sure you've removed all the surface dirt and grime. The 4-inch roller is more efficient than your typical 2-inch roller because it covers the entire surface of 33 LP records, allowing you to quickly and easily clean your vinyl records in just a few passes. Step 3. Before playing your newly cleaned records, take the included stylish brush and gently brush off your turntable stylus. Do not brush side to side or back and forth. This could potentially damage your stylus. The needle brush consists of thousands of tightly packed carbon fiber bristles, allowing you to effectively clear your turntable stylus of any debris or static that may be present. Step 4. When you're ready to play your newly cleaned record, use the included anti-static brush to remove any leftover surface static that may be present on your record. Place your newly cleaned record on your turntable. Turn the turntable on, allowing the record to spin freely. Carefully lower the brush onto the spinning record and let it spin under the brush for about 3 to 4 passes. This allows the bristles to brush up on your record's surface. Then slowly moving the brush off the record towards yourself. That's it! Enjoy the look and sound of newly cleaned records! To preserve your roller's effectiveness, rinse your roller in warm water after use. You can also use your fingers to gently brush off any stuck debris. After rinsing, let the roller air dry. Do not wipe the adhesive roller off with any type of cloth or towel. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@vinylvac.net or visit www.recordroller.com to learn more information.